morning, students. Last day we have seen about this food grains, rice, paddy, then wheat, then jowar, then millet, then we are going to see the maize. So we have discussed about the kharif crops, rabi crops, and side crops. So the next one is maize. This is a kharif crops. Maize is the most grown crop in the world. After paddy and wheat, maize is grown more in hilly area and it is a staple food of the people. Maize contains starch, oil, protein, biofuel, etc. So it is used more in industrial production. Sloppy, black, hard, rocky, and water having gentle flow are more suitable for its cultivation. Rainfall between 50 to 100 meter and 21 to 27 degrees Celsius temperature are favorable factors. Its usage is increasing animal fodder, honey, and the oil. It is increasingly used as animal fodder, making popcorn and for edible oil. Major states producing maize are Rajasthan. You have to underline major states producing Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. In Gujarat, maize is grown more in Panchmahal, Lahore, Sabarkantha, and Aravalli districts. So maize, what is the rainfall? Rainfall is between 50 to 100 centimeter. Underline 21 to 27 degree temperature are favorable factors. So 50 to 100 meters centimeter rain required and 21 to 27 required for the favorable condition. Then coming to the pulses. Pulses is the main source of protein or vegetarian people. Tuvar, mung, gram, peas, beans, mat, udad are considered as pulses. Tuvar, udad, mung, mat are kharif crops. Gram, peas, and lentil are rabi crops. Pulses are grain in states except where rainfall is more. Major pulse producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, can underline, Maharashtra, Odisha, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, etc. In Gujarat, tuvar is sown more in Vadodara district, mung and mat in Kutch districts, and udad in Patan districts. Nitrogen is reinstated in soil by growing pulses, so it's sown as intercrop along with after the main food crops. So pulses means this tuvar, mung, gram, peas, etc. like that. You have to read that. Means in Gujarat only this Vadodara district, mung and mat is this tuvar is grown more. So next is things to know. Nagli, ragi, hold a unique place in the grass food crops sown in Gujarat. Nagi is a staple food of this. Staple food mean an important food for them. Means they are eating more that food. Nagli is a staple food of the Adivasi people in hilly region. Among all gas food crops sown Gujarat and in India, and per hectare production of Nagli is the maximum. Nagli is known as finger miller of African. Millet in English is known as babda in Gujarat. Nagli is extremely nutritious grass food crops. There is more of protein, mineral and vitamin and its grain. As there is more fiber in Nagli, it is very advantageous for the patients of diabetes and cardiac patients. The proportion of calcium and iron is also more in Nagli compared to other crops. So it is used for removing malnutrition and it making of baby food. The Adivasi farmers eat a rotla made from the Nagli flour. Besides the biscuits, chocolates, toast, naktai, wafer, papdi, etc. are also prepared from its flour. So all the wafers and all is prepared with this ragi flours. Then coming to the next, that is oil seed. Groundnut oil, groundnut, till, soybean, castor, mustard, sunflower, etc. are considered to be oil seeds. They hold an important position in the Indian meal. After edible oil is extracted from the oil seed, the remaining oil cake is used as animal fodder and is also also as biotic manure. Then groundnut. This is groundnut. Groundnut and important position of the seeds, black and mixture of loamy and sandy oil, land which would not retain water. 20 degree to 25 degrees Celsius temperature and 52. So that you have to underline 20 groundnut for groundnut, which is the climate required 20 to 25 degree Celsius and 50 to 70 centimeter rainfall required. Groundnut is sown in kharif crop and wherever there is irrigation facility. It can be sown during summer also. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra are major producers of groundnut production. Gujarat leads the country in the groundnut production. Underline. Gujarat is the leading state in the groundnut production. So districts of Junagadh, Gir Somnath, Amreli, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, etc. produce groundnut. Groundnut oil is used in the Gujarat as edible oil. So that is it. Sesame, till oil. Till oil is used in India since age in North India. It is a rainbow-based kharif crops. In South India, it is sown as rabi crop and occasionally a zaid crop. Also, almost all the states grow it. Among all oil seeds, till has more content of oil. In almost all parts of the world, it is used as an edible oil. Major producers of till are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat ranks first in India in terms of oil producers at the total area sown. Banaskantha grows maximum till. Maximum export of India in the world is done by India. So this till export is mostly done in India only. So you can underline that maximum export of till in the world is done by India, and Gujarat ranks first in India in terms of till production. That also. Then coming to mustard. Mustard. This is a rabi crop and it is an important crop of North India. Mustard seeds and its oil are used for medicine and also as edible oil. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are major producers of mustard. So mustard who all are producing? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, underline that, West Bengal, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are the major producers of mustard. Then coming to the next, that is coconut. Coconut is a plantation crop of hot and humid coastal climate and saline land in India. The coconut plantations are found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andaman Nicobar, etc. In Gujarat, coconut is grown in coastal regions. A special type of coconut tree which is shorter and giving more yield is developed. In South India, coconut oil extracted from the coconut kernel is used as edible oil. Besides, its water is useful as healthy drink. Castor oil. Castor oil is also known as Divelia locally. It is the both kharif as well as rabi crop. 64% India is the largest producer of castor in the world. China and Brazil come next respectively. About 80% of its productions come from Gujarat. Underline. Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan other producers. In Gujarat, the district of Banaskantha, Pathan, Sabarkantha, Rajkot, Junagadh, Amreli, etc. produce little quantity. The oil from the cotton seeds, sunflower, paddy and maize are also used increasingly as edible oil. So, which all are the things we have discussed now? We have discussed about the jowar, millet, maize, pulses, oilseed, groundnut oil, sesame, mustard, coconut, castor oil, these all things. Then coming to the next is cotton hot beverages, means tea, coffee, cocoa, etc. like that. And then coming to the cash crops. So you read the textbook and prepare your notes. The underlined things I want to see in your textbook, whatever you have underlined. Okay, thank you.